SS for super sexy. 72 Chevelle, frame off restored, 454 big block, 5-speed trans in there. It's a hot car. You can go to volocars.com to check out the pricing and all the specs on this car and a few hundred others. Hi, I'm Jay Grams. Visit our website. We have a whole team of people that can help get this car or any of the cars in your driveway. We have shipping, we have financing, we can answer all your questions, we can take more pictures. Just let us know on how we can help you. Meanwhile, let's take this one for a spin. Alabama car, super dry clean metal. The body, the floors are just super nice. You can see going around, black shows everything, and here we are with all these lights, and it looks like a mirror. Doors fit beautifully. The chrome and trim is all shiny. Brand new wheels with new sneakers on them. It's got F41 suspension underneath, which is the box control arms with the sway bars, has the disc brakes up front, 12-bolt rear end. Like I said, the floors are super clean. The stripes are actually have a little metallic in them, a little sparkle. They're smooth to the touch. He even bought the fifth wheel, the spare, matches the rest of them. Clean trunk, has a new well liner, it's got a jack and spare. Everything's painted glossy, new weather strip. Has a white top in excellent shape. Real nice white interior. Center console with a 5-speed. You put it in that 5th gear, it's great for cruising down the highway. Has the complete SS dash with the tack and gauges. Has a retro stereo that fits right in the hole. Tilt column, embroidered floor mats. It's a slick car. I'll start it up here in a little bit. If you're not sold yet, that will sell you on it. 454 motor with the big port heads, aluminum intake, dual feed Holley carb, HEI ignition. Everything's painted real slick. New wiper motor, new brake booster and master. It's got power steering. Everything looks new. The alternator, the fan, the shroud, all looks new. Same thing underneath when we put it up on the lift. Just the shocks, the emergency brake cables, the whole front suspension's rebuilt. All the components look like they're new. New weather strips, new window seals. All right, let's start it up. Great color combination. White interior in a convertible stays a lot cooler than the black. The whole dash is restored. The dash pad is replaced. Has a power top, 12-bolt rear end. I actually bought it at a show in Nashville, but he drove it to the show from Alabama, from Huntsville, Alabama. So it's a get in, go. Hop in the highway and go cruise with this car. It's got new horns. Beautiful body and paint. Believe it's original sheet metal. Like I said, it's from deep down south, and the floors are just dry and smooth, no pitting, no patches. So there you have it, another hot, sexy car, all the good stuff. Probably won't last long, so go to volocars.com, check it out, contact us, let us know how we can help you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.